Hello everyone, my name is Hansini Zaid and today I am going to discuss about the shortcomings and wish list for Officer Candidate Management System. We have designed this system to mark the attendance of the candidates for the supervisor. But in the Officers Training Academy, there is always a problem of managing the candidates for training. It is a chaotic situation in handling their records, attendance and chips. This process consumes a lot of time, money and efforts. Besides this, there is a risk of losing attendance sheets and records. Moreover, it sometimes includes duplicate data entries which results in mismanagement. So the solution for this problem is to design a system that can reduce paperwork, which will save time and money. It can also eliminate duplicate data and fake attendance entries. It will improve visibility to track and manage student attendance across multiple base locations. Also, it will keep track of staff and candidates during the training period. So, these are the following user stories which we have implemented during the semester. The first is for any student or supervisor to have a registration and a login page. The second is to view their profile on the home page. The third is to mark the attendance by a student and for the supervisor. The fourth is to view the attendance of the students by a supervisor. And the last is, as a developer, I would like to deploy the application on the web server so that everyone can access it. But there are some shortcomings for this project. The first is AWS database connections. So here you can see that we have deployed the application successfully and we got this URL. And if you register anything or if you just simply log in to any of the supervisor or the student account, then it will simply show you that the username and password are wrong, which indicates that there is no connection between the database. So this is the problem which we have forwarded it to the next release. And the next shortcoming is that selecting the role for supervisor and student through the registration will make the system easier. For example, if you just go to register and if you click a role like supervisor or student, then the design will be more simpler. And this system is not highly secure. And the last is that displaying the student details in supervisor account for better communication can work properly. So all the details in the supervisor account will help him to have better connection with the students. And the future work for the next release will include the application to be launched for mobile users like Android and iOS. And we can design more attractive user interface. Also, we can implement Google Maps to track better the location of the student. And lastly, the attendance can be marked properly by notifying the supervisor or the student through email IDs or text messages. And to summarize the overall project, this project made it possible for candidates to mark the attendance online and for supervisors to view them. And the date and time of the students are being recorded once they mark it. And future work would be to view the geographic location of the candidates while they do this task. So that's all for the shortcomings and the wish list. Thank you for watching the video.